So what we doing there now, Kerry?
Yeah. I'm clean up the chicken now. Jerk chicken. Yeah. I'm clean up the chicken now. So marinate for a little while.
Okay.
Then we go to the grill. So I clean up the chicken, you know. See? Yeah, so Bengali chicken doing things, you know?
Yeah.
In our kitchen. In our kitchen we there.
Alright, so you take out all this stuff from inside of the chicken,
yes, right? Yes, officially. You have to take out the chicken properly, like some people just run water over the chicken and clean up the chicken, you know. But me not do it that way then. You have to clean up the things properly.
Okay.
Yeah, wash it down with vinegar and them thing there. Yeah. If you look now, you can see all these, we call it feather.
Yeah.
All this is feather. Or here, or what you call it, on the chicken. So if you not clean up your chicken properly, people gonna eat all these things. So when you do now, you get rid of these things. A lot of people like chicken with the skin pan the jerk. But most of the time when I look on you and see them things, we take out the whole skin. So you won't have to eat no feather. All these fat, these chunks of fat, chicken can't jerk with them things. Chicken have to jerk with them things.
Okay.
Yeah, this is not good for you eat. So you got to cut off all those things. These are these things. That is crab blood.
Okay, you take out all of that.
Take out all of that.
Okay.
Some people just do it with the batter and everything. And them thing there. No, can't work out for me, you know. We do the thing officially because we know say that's the thing to do. So if you see what me I do here now, the part where I just say much further you see. Yeah.
I take off everything.
Take off everything with the feather.
Okay.
Yeah. All these you see feather. So if I did just wash them out and put them on the grill, people would be eating feather.
Yeah.
Yeah. We don't want that. All the things have to go officially. So then we come back now.
Yeah, people are feeding on them teeth, right?
Okay, yeah. So we come back now, cut off some of them fat, yeah.
Okay.
And just take off enough, you know, when we can. Yeah. So grill won't blaze up that much when you cut off the fat.
Okay.
That's a thing, you know. Then choke up the chicken now. You see it now, chicken. Not just waiting in the car.
Why you do that? Why you?
The reason I can do this, if I just season my chicken like that, it's on the outside seasoning. The seasoning is soaked down inside the chicken.
Oh.
When I juke it up like this, the season soak right to the bone.
Okay.
And then easier to jerk to. Because the heat go right through it.
Okay.
So that's why I say I juke it up. So, you know, the season go right through this. You know, just season like just up your fire stuff.
Yeah.
When you juke it up, the season go right through.
Okay.
So you see the difference? So you got chicken everything, you know. And you get a bit of heating, you know.
Yeah. So when you season it up, how long you let it stay for?
Well, if me season up my chicken like say me I go jerk it tomorrow, I season it up like from tonight.
Oh.
Put it, make it see out like for 15 minutes outside, then I put it in the fridge. The bottom, not for freeze, but cool.
Okay.
Yes. So, you know, it's set, the jerk seasoning, setting it and everything. So if you look at this chicken, you see, it's all feather, all of these things, skin. It's just feather. So you see, most people just throw it on the grill side way like that. No, it's not good that way then. You got to look on it and clean up, you know, tear off the skin sometimes. I know people like chicken with skin sometimes. It's not all the time it's good. So, and at the same time, I just put my skin them. When I do in a separate bag. That's well, my trash truck already come today. So what me going to do now? Now I come back till Tuesday. So what me do now? Me have enough fridge. Cause I got 2 fridges and I have a fridge in my shed. So I just put the skin them and when I clean up in my shed, in the fridge here.
Oh, okay.
Frozen them till choose a man and me take them out, put in the trash can, into them and stink up the place.
Oh,
And
that's
too much
smart,
fly.
man. That's smart.
Yes, cause if I don't do that, they're gonna stink up the place. Cause it's 90 degree and 100 degree. So just throw them in the trash can now. Oh my God, man. So I just freeze them and then choose a man, you know, take them out and put them in the trash.
Oh, okay.
So you see, I put them in this bag here now. So this bag I now can hold in the freezer, in the shed. That I have my freezer in the shed for.
Okay.
Certain little thing in there, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have to know how you do your thing, you know.
Yep.
I go season up within my regular season, my jerk seasoning and stuff. Yeah, it's gonna be a rough day. The rain coming back down outside again. And we want to light up the grill. Yeah, alright. So, alright, now I'm gonna wash off my chicken now.
Oh, yeah. Wash it. Oh, okay. How many times you rinse it off?
I'm gonna rinse it off like 2 times.
Oh, okay.
First now, I put some salt. And you know salt kill all of the things when they find the slime, most of the slime. Salt kill all of that. Easy. Yeah. So, salt. I get my vinegar. Lime juice. Yeah, vinegar and lime juice. Wash them off.
Why you put vinegar on it?
Well, you see vinegar, it make the chicken taste better, and vinegar take off a lot of bacteria for chicken.
Oh,
So
okay.
back in the days, yeah, granny always use some vinegar. Wash off, and even when I kill all the chicken, you give the chicken some vinegar to drink all the day before you kill him. I must see the meat, you see, I have to use vinegar again. So you know, vinegar play a big role, because the vinegar clean up the chicken. Yeah, when I go to granny, I'll kill the chicken. Granny give the chicken now we see. So now I wash him out now. Salt, lime and vinegar. So the chicken, not have the slime. All those slime what was on it. You know the salt and the vinegar cut it off and the lime. It's a nice flavor. Just like a seasoning too. Properly. You can see you don't smell much vinegar.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
can smell the vinegar.
You don't
strong.
smell the rawness, yeah.
Yeah, take out all the rawness
Oh
and
yes.
any bacteria and anything.
Okay, in the chicken, you know.
Oh, okay.
That's the vinegar to keep work, you know.
Yeah. Real Gangali kitchen, man.
Yes, gangali. I dread, I creamy.
Dread or
My
creamy.
yard, Tony Chat, PC. I got so much name. Anyone you want to call it. So when you want the chicken with your call me. Yeah. Alright, we're going to give another washer now again. And then start seasoning up. So we put on the sprayer.
Yeah.
Sprayer helps me a little too. Spray out all the way in them, you know. Bring out the water properly. that's the thing, then don't go down in it because they will black it out.
Oh yeah.
You know? So if you protect it at time too. Yeah, because you see, you don't want it. You don't want anything I go down in it.
So the chicken ready for the seasoning now, right?
Yes, chicken ready for seasoning now.
Okay.
When you're ready now. Alright, so I'm going to tie up this now. Let me tell you, so I'll keep this in the freezer on the back shed.
Until the truck guy come around.
Tuesday, when the truck come around.
Oh, okay.
So we don't want to have no problem because it's frozen, so it won't smell up the place.
Yeah.
Because it's time hot now. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to rinse off about my board there now. Cleaning press sprayer. I'm going to cut up some seasoning on it.
Oh, okay. You get it nice and clean.
Oh yeah. When you don't have to cut up the chicken on it. You know. So you don't want the bacteria and everything we have to do.
Yeah.
So everything clean. Nice stuff. Clean it off. I really cut up some seasoning inside with it. So you have an order. Getting ready now to cut up a little onion.
Okay. So you put onion in it?
I see something with onion. I like I don't have to, but I like seasoning up my thing with onion. Hold on a minute then, I get in a call. Oh, this is my granddaughter from Jamaica calling me now.
Let me see.